From this point, we have to take another connection. This point. As well,
okay, at the inlet. Okay.
So same path.
Okay, at the inlet. Provide connection to the inlet. Inlet of the pump. Pump suction. Yeah. Inlet with pump suction. Yeah, inlet of the pump. That's okay. That's okay. After this, we have end user. So end user, the valves can get closed. What is the PNID number? PNID number is 12 number. So at 12 number, it is coming here. And you have got on MOV. So VAB 1108A. Double 108 A. So this is a MOV motorized control, a malfunction close.
What is the use of valve AV1713? Because they are already giving one valve BW1201 at CCT inlet.
You are saying this one?
Where you are in this one?
In page number 11.
You are talking about here.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
this is MOV.
Marking, there are changes for them to.
I have not.
So this is potential high pressure and no dosing. And BA position indication, local PI, BAV is there, and position indication. Position indication there, right?
It will give on off.
Yeah. Okay.
Startup.
Yes, we are happy.
Cut and press from old project.
Yeah.
Simple pumps. It makes closing pump.
Yeah. So guys, yeah. So Imran, more flow. You want to consider the stand back of running together? More flow?
More flow also come with a stroke change and more flow.
Yeah, stroke change. But it's calibration. See, you have the calibration. Once you do the calibration, you should not do the stroke change. Okay, poor calibration. Okay, it's poor calibration.
Poor calibration.
Wrong calibration. Wrong calibration.
Sometimes
Yeah, some fault signals come.
Yeah.